Hey everybody, Tom Glazer here with another edition of my video blog. Thanks so much for watching in. So I have a confession to make. I am a bit of a reality television snob. I kind of love to hate reality television. Well, recently I got sucked in, like so many people, to one of these reality television shows. This one's called Zumbo's Just Desserts. This is from Australia, and in it, I think there was like 12 contestants over 12 episodes are vying for $100,000. They're amateur bakers, but they have to make these incredible concoctions. They look fabulous. I wish so much I could be there to taste some of their concoctions. So in the final episode, it's down to 2 contestants. And so they are just working their butts off trying to make this final dessert just so. And in walks their families. And one of the contestants, Kate, bursts into tears, gives her 2 grade school age kids big old bear hugs, and I start crying in that moment because there is this amazing example of human connection, right? In the midst of a very difficult test for this contestant. And then Kate, the contestant, goes on to say that what she most hopes for her kids is that they develop resilience, and that she hopes in this show, she's a great example of that, that they don't just get kicked down and stay down, but that they find ways to keep moving despite life's inevitable setbacks. And I got to tell you, in that moment, I gained a whole new respect for reality television. These are themes in my work, Full Heart Living. Themes of human connection, themes of living our passions, themes of resilience. In fact, resilience is one of the chapters in my book. It's what I hope for all of you. It's what I know has helped me so much. And so your assignment, should you choose to accept it this time, is to talk with someone you know and care about what is resilience to you. How do you keep going in the midst of even the hardest times of your life? All right, thanks for watching in. We'll see you on the next one.